YouTube fam? Welcome back to our delightful channel, where we embark on a whimsical journey exploring the zaniest and most amusing business plans and ideas that are bound to tickle your funny bone. If you're ready to indulge in some hearty laughter, prepare yourself for a delightful treat today. So, without further ado, let us dive into the enchanting world of hilarity and imagination. Idea number 1. Dial a dinosaur delivery service. Are you ready to take your party to the next level? Then prepare to be amazed by this next amazing business idea. Here's how the innovative Dial Dinosaur delivery service works. Imagine this. You're hosting a party and you want to give your guests an unforgettable experience. This amazing service allows you to deliver a T-Rex or a friendly Triceratops right to your doorstep. Imagine opening your front door to find a real dinosaur standing there in all its glory. The look of amazement and wide-eyed looks on your guests' faces is priceless. Whether you want to make a big entrance or add a little excitement to your backyard BBQ, this service has a variety of costumes to choose from. So why settle for a regular costume when you can get something special? With Dial Dinosaur Delivery Service, you can turn any event into a Jurassic adventure that will be talked about for years to come. All you need is your costume in order, literally. Idea number 2. Now, let's move on to the Pro Pillow Fighter Championship. Are you tired of the same old sports competitions? Get ready to be blown away by a business plan that will literally blow your mind. Imagine a spectacular arena full of enthusiastic athletes equipped only with fluffy pillows. These highly skilled fighters will engage in epic battles, displaying their agility, strength, and pillow-handling prowess. Who would have thought that something as simple and innocent as a pillow fight could develop into such an epic scale? The Pro Pillow Fighter Championship promises an unforgettable experience for both participants and spectators. It's your chance to witness athleticism, humor, and pure joy come together in an adrenaline-pumping event. Maybe it'll even become the next Olympic sport. These are just a few of the craziest and funniest business ideas that are sure to make you laugh out loud. So let your imagination run wild. Maybe you'll stumble upon something big that will revolutionize the world. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like.